Hey, what am I giving away today? I'm giving away my cooking style. That's my Jamaican's cooking style and Jamaica's history. However, you have to watch the video in its entirety or you're going to miss out on important aspect. So sit down, relax, and enjoy. Yes, so you see this? I'm going to Dollar General and I see them. So them a ripe banana. But when me look on them and feeling and tough as rock. So me say make me buy them and cook them. So me buy them 5. Me say me no want buy no whole heap. Me go cook it with some ackee. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Wherever in the world you're listening me from, greetings. Right. So me have ham. So me go fix up one piece for dough. Maybe any chicken. Some fried rice. With thing that I have there. So let me get this soak. And we are going to see what I go on here now. So I have the pot on with some water there. I need to put some vinegar in it because that will prevent it from have this kind of brownish, what we call red in Jamaica, but it's really kind of brownish color. And then the banana won't come out white either if you don't do that. So they're gonna put lime, something acidic, lime juice. I need some salt, lime juice or the vinegar, as you see I do there, right? So then I put a little salt, not a lot. And then usually what I do, I'll peel it under running water, but you don't necessarily have to peel under running water. See, I peel. This is not really, no. So you know, me I gotta start do now. Go in at the Dollar General store. Go look, see if me get them. Because, and too, we can also put the skin. So when I'm finished, I'm gonna wash it. So this, I can cut it and put a piece in there just to have it white. Alright? I said I didn't buy more. If I had time, I would go out there and get some more. But I'm going to get some more and peel them and freeze them. Because maybe you put them long and then go ripe up. So that is a good idea for Dollar General. Me can get my green banana now. Yes, so when me done, as a matter of fact, catch some water and put it in. Because if you have it out there too, it might be discolored a little. So when me cook it, I will show you. When I cook it, I will show you guys. Yeah, somebody sent a call on guys. Well, let me cover this up. And I'm going to do the ackee and the ham. Ackee, ham, and callaloo. I may have like a callaloo there. And if me leave it out, it might just spoil because I need that. Might I just not bother with it. Yes. You can also use oil to get the stain off because my hand might gonna be stained. Look at it. Use a little oil. So you use the oil and you get the stain off. Yeah. Use some oil. So we have this mark right here. We will not call it so. So you can just mark it. We call it truck in Jamaica. And you peel it just like that. See? You hear the cracking sound? Yep. Yes, it's over the ripe banana side. Me get this. So when we cook, we will know if it tastes fully ripe banana. Not fully, because that can't be fully. But have the ripe banana taste. And then I'm going to wash them and wait until the water boil. And then now I think there. Yes, so this is it. I'm going to wash it off. with the skin. Throw these away. I only buy 5, so if I go out the road now, me I go buy some more. Then them a come in with green banana. Oops! Them a come in with green banana. First time I never used to see that. You know, fully green. But me will eat it as the green banana. I feel good. I get a little feel of Jamaica. Get a little Jamaica feel. You know what I mean? Get a little Jamaica feel. Because when you can't get your own food, I help to play. So, let me wash these now. Have them waiting. I should have put this in now. So you put it in the water. Because it will have this colored kind of look. Let me wash these dishes. Alright, so see that now? The pot water is boiling. So we're going to put in the, see? If we make it stay out much longer, let me get this off. A little piece of something here. Scrape this. This until I get black. See that? So we put in that and that. That is why we keep it in the water until we are ready. Yes, so make it stay there. So see, this look like it's starting to get black already. Alright, so I don't know what I'm going to put. Let me put some oil. Let me put vinegar. Make me drop in some oil. Because I put the vinegar in there. And I never see this yet. Let me put some. Why is it here so I can't put in this thing? Vinegar. I don't know why they. No. Like me, I have to go scrape them upon this one. I don't know it's tastes like yeah. With all of what I do. So true, I didn't have it one thing there. Alright, so come now, I'm going to do the seasoning for the ackee. Cut up the bacon. This is what I'm going to use. This. I mean, I love this. Too much seasoning. Still I got to take out some. This. I'm going to need more. I don't have no more. I do not. What? I have some scallion here. I may know may I cut up too much, so I may have to go put some over there. So I get off the no, so I did something. Okay. Yes. Strip this and then I wash everybody. One little piece of green thing I may have. I'm gonna use it same. Oh, take out. Let's see if we get some more of the banana there, the green one. Green as grass, and what I'm going to do, I'll put it in the freezer. Because if I put it in the freezer, it's going to ripe. Yes, it's going to be ripened. I'm going to find the cover for this. I'm going to do some ackee. And maybe should I do them separate? Some ackee and callaloo. What if I work that, you know? I'll do them separate. One will you work. I'm going to bargain for an idea. Then now, I wash out all of them. I'm gonna thing there. No, what is that little piece of people so find use feet nice in the onion here. Okay. Some I'm a chef, but I can't help myself in my kitchen. I am not a chef, but I can help myself in my kitchen. One little chops of green just to get the color. Because I didn't realize I don't have no green bell pepper. Just to get the color. You know, color, very important. Color is very important in your cooking. Get some red now. It's green and gold. Then we get the maybe do them separately. This already look nice, eh? Yes. The ham. You don't forget some ham, yeah? Let me see what I'm gonna use. The ham. One piece. So let me put this up now. Then I use all right. The ham with the ackee. I'm going to chop some and do this. If you don't mind sharp, I'm not do no more cooking, you know. Little callaloo, little ackee. So let me fix up there. That's soon done. Banana not take no whole heap of time to cook. So let me see. Who will come over now for breakfast? Breakfast time. Let me see who will come now for breakfast. Ackee, banana, one thing when I cook my callaloo, I want. But not necessarily want a time in me. Ackee. But the callaloo, this is the tin callaloo. I'm gonna try my best with it. Try my best. Massa. So the tin callaloo already cooked. Seasoning and all these things. Let me see this hour. Put a little garlic powder in it. A little piece of thyme now. See that? See the banana them there? They don't look like they're ripe at all. But they are worried, so they're gonna ripe. Alright, let me put a little oil. A little more. Alright, let me turn this off. I'm gonna go buy some more of them banana. I see my finger there. So the oil work like a charm. There's no discoloration of my nails. So you use the oil when you're peeling. When you are peeling. Now I'm gonna put no whole heap of oil. Or should I use some of the olive oil? A little more oil in my... See? I feel there's a little piece of time when I have. Let me see if I get fine any garlic. So what I do, I love to kind of fry out my garlic. Okay. Then I am going to put a little bit of this in there. I can't see what I'm going to put there. Maybe not. Let me pull this thing a little closer. A little more oil in my life. Keep it burning. You see it in the oven. And I'm putting the oil into this, put it in the ackee. Then I take up a handful of the seasoning and just stuck it there. Yep. Handful of the seasoning. Not much oil. Kind of a little oil. And as I said, the callaloo is already cooked, so this not take not a time. Not a time it not take. Put the seasoning in the pot before you put it in, so it's just incorporated already. And then this little Maggi here tend to be salt, tea. And now I just pour in my callaloo. Actually, could I just eat the callaloo alone, but we need the ackee. I'll leave back some. And then what I can do is drop a little piece of butter in this. See? And there goes my callaloo. Get a little piece of butter and put it in it. Yes, I see it there now. See it there, fatty, see it there. There it is. How it look? Me show you want some. See there? Find the yard and you will get some. Let me put that out now. Rinse out the pot. And I'm back in the same pot. Because I can't bother. See there? Let's put it out. Alright. Okay. This is a Jamaican. Back in the days when me young, almost everybody in Jamaica cook callaloo and green banana. Nothing me did hate so. Nothing me did hate so when me look a bit. Every morning, every Sunday morning. Every Sunday morning, any yard you go, you get callaloo. Callaloo and bread, callaloo and banana, callaloo. Yeah, that was back in the days in JA. So this morning now, we depend on the same thing, callaloo. Callaloo. The name the Mr. Ackee love take enough oil. I mean, no problem with it today. Let me see if we get the black pepper. The black pepper. I want some more. I don't know why black pepper is so expensive here. I'm gonna say everywhere the same. And if me can find some garlic. I'm gonna cut up the garlic. I shouldn't do that. I hate this. Oh, this is not garlic. Garlic. Huh? You done? Okay, this one. Garlic. Alright, so. Let me garlic. You know, I'm never put the thyme in there or something. I'll put it in there, thyme. Yeah, they actually have to get more ham. More ham to the Ackee. No one makes me feel like you do. Then now we're dropping the Ackee. Oh, black pepper. Some persons love put it before. No, put it after, put it before the black pepper. And then when you put the Ackee in now, it's just easy to incorporate. With the tin Ackee, this we use 1.5 and left some. And try to get rid of the water. Yes, so you see? Try to get, see? I don't see enough Ackee, see there? Yeah, I can have more ham than Ackee, so. But anyway, see there? The tin Ackee. Let's see how quick the black pepper incorporating it. So when you put the black pepper afterwards, you have to be turning it and turning it and turning it. You put it in the oil in no time, spin it 2 times, and you have black pepper all over in the ackee, like what we want to see. So there you have it. I don't think I want nothing else but that thing there. Honestly, I don't. This I'm going to be using to do some fried rice. Chicken fried rice. Yeah. And sometimes I love use my liquor. Italian seasoning. So this is done. Put some more salt in it. Yeah. So here it is now. My little ackee and ham. Find me out that you get some. See there? You want to call it scrambled ackee. So I'm gonna get a plate now. Let's make a deal. Alright, so that is it. And then I'll get a juice. Okay, the tin ackee me love. I can't get it any better than this. I mean, I love them whole seasoning as much as I cook with them, you know. I mean, I name me one of my name seasoning. There you have it. Me I gonna have my banana and my callaloo. You know how long me have this? You know how long me have this? Hey! You know how long me have this? This is what I'm going to drink. You know what this is? I bet you can't tell me. Melon. No problem. Thank you. See there, my melon. All right, see there?